dear sir, madam. Heartiest greetings from Technovision Academy. Here is an important announcement of a very useful course for electrical engineers, students, professionals, consultants, universities, research labs, engineering and construction companies, and manufacturers, practicing engineers from generation, transmission, distribution systems, industrial and other consumers of electricity, and electrical inspectors. Here is a 15 days online career development course on operation, maintenance, and testing of high voltage direct current, that is HVDC substation, by 35 plus years industry expert in HVDC system. The specialty of this course that it is based on practical field experience shared by HVDC industry experts who actually work in HVDC terminal station for long period. The course key highlights are: we are going to provide many softwares in this course like ETAP, Electrical AutoCAD, Relux, MATLAB, and Dialux. Lifetime access to course material and videos will be given. Manuals, HVDC ebooks, regulations, standards, daily question answer session will be there, and faculty having 35 years industry experience. Free joining to job portals and lifetime membership of Academy social media community. There will be daily 1 hour session with the flexible timing. Now, what is the importance of HVDC for all electrical engineers? Nowadays, in the advancement of power industry, it is very much important for electrical engineer should have in-depth knowledge of both AC and HVDC systems, as these systems are jointly used in the power grid of almost all countries. By attending this course, you will gain in-depth practical and understanding of HVDC technologies, how operation and maintenance testing of HVDC system is carried out, practical understanding of HVDC control and protection, and what are the practical faults occurred in HVDC and how the analysis of faults have been carried out. This course is offered at very affordable price for all. It is offered by Technovision Academy, which is India's first institute industry expert, practical industrial knowledge-based training institute. Its Udyam registration is under Ministry of MSME, Government of India, ISO 9001 2015 Certified Training Institute. It is accredited institute by UASL, England, UK. It has joint collaboration with All India Institute Industry Forum. It is 5-star rated institute on Google Business. There are job career oriented programs as per demands of present industries are provided. Faculties are more than 35 plus years experience. Preparation for interview and consultant is given. Full technical and assistance after course completion will be given. Guidance to start your own work or business. Across the world, more than 12,000 plus learners and job seekers are connected with the academy. It is unique academy having all types of power sector trainings on a single platform. The course modules are: 1. Fundamentals of practical understanding of HVDC system. 2nd, practical understanding of HVDC AC side equipments and their functions. Number 3, practical understanding of HVDC wall cooling system, auxiliary system equipments and their function. 4th, practical understanding of HVDC DC side equipment, DC line and their functions. Number 5, practical understanding of HVDC control and protection system. Number 6, testing and maintenance activity on HVDC AC side equipments. Number 7, testing and maintenance activity on HVDC wall equipments. Number 8, testing and maintenance activity on HVDC DC side equipments and DC transmission line. Number 9, testing and maintenance activity on HVDC wall cooling system. Number 10, testing and maintenance activity on HVDC control and protection. Number 11, testing maintenance activity on indoor equipments, AC, DC, auxiliary system, batteries, battery chargers, UPS, AC distribution, DC distribution, HVAC system, and firefighting system. Number 12, HVDC substation operational activities. Number 13, HVDC earthing system and earthing electrode station. Number 14, practical faults in HVDC and analysis of faults. Number 15, important HVDC projects across the world and HVDC system modern trends. The registration link and contact details are given in the description box of this video. Now more about HVDC. HVDC strengthen our transmission network. High voltage direct current transmission systems are becoming more and more important in an energy landscape that is characterized by increasing digitalization, decarbonization, and distributed generation. HVDC technology offers the most efficient means of transmitting large amount of power over longer distances, help to connect green power to the grid and stabilize three-phase grids. HVDC is a key enabler of carbon neutral energy system. It is highly efficient for transmitting large amount of electricity over long distances. Integration of renewables and interconnecting grids, opening up for new sustainable transmission solutions and other applications such as back-to-back city center infeed, connecting remote generation, connecting remote loads, DC links in AC grids, interconnecting grids, offshore wind connection, overhead transmission line, power from shore, extension upgrades and retrofits. So there are many more advantages with this system. So once again, all are welcome for this 15 days course on HVDC operation, maintenance and testing. Thank you so much.